Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of the Rocketeer. Thanks for tuning in. I am taking the same route that I took on my Indian the other day to get out to Mineola Moto, although I am not going to Mineola Moto, but I want to hit that road again, the Grand Central Parkway. Road conditions were terrible, but the road itself is fun, and I'm hoping that having some actual suspension will lead to a better ride. One would think that it would lead to a better ride. So, gonna enjoy that road, probably loop back, go to the city. I was considering Jersey or the Met Cloisters. I don't know. Sky's the limit, guys. The weather is gorgeous. It's a little chilly, but I'll take it. All things considered, it's been rainy, it's been nasty, and we're technically in spring. We're there, but winter is rather holding on. Oh my God. So make sure to subscribe, give the video a like, etc., etc. Let's get riding. Let's have fun. This is the right way. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. These gloves are starting to warm up when they're cold. I don't know if you guys know this about leather, but when leather gets cold, it gets kind of crunchy and hard. So, less than ideal merge, but it's okay. The stream is moving, guys. The stream is moving. I know there's some big ass bumps coming up my way here, so I'm gonna situate. Oh, look at that! They patched it up. They patched it up. What amazing road service we have here. That's literally like a month ago. They actually took care of it. That's crazy. The Midtown Bridge is a different story. That shit is horrendous and has been horrendous for years. All right, let's focus up, guys. Let's focus up. Got a little Tesla action here. So good to run this goddamn bike out. And close my windshield. It's been a minute, my friends. It's been a minute. See some road work up ahead, so it explains the traffic jam. I think it's left and then a left, if I remember correctly. My guy, chill out, my guy. Yep, stick to the left here. Choppy on the throttle. I'm really thinking about getting this thing tuned to smooth it out. It's also user error, so I'm not trying to pass the buck here, but the lower end of the rev range certainly is a little choppy. Could be smoother. Always has been. driven to it before, but I guess I never made the connections and the spaceships from Men in Black. You guys seen that movie? Classic. I'll take a moment to say that I am listening to Kanye West because you know, when he started going crazy, I stopped listening just because he sounded really full of himself and narcissistic and kind of out of touch, so I just thought he was stupid. Anyway, I started listening to, he's come out with a bunch of albums since then, and I started listening to Donda, right? I think that's an old album now, and production-wise, great, sounds wonderful, but such an idiot. Like every song that plays, I'm like, oh, if you just weren't on this would be fantastic. Like, great track, but the shit that comes out of your mouth, terrible. Also, there's this rapper named Lil Thug. I think that's the one, or Slime. I don't know if it's the same person, but terrible, horrendous. All the new age rappers just so bad, not saying anything, just fucking whining and blathering. And it's sad because I've kind of drifted away from that genre just because at least what I'm listening to, what I get on my like random Spotify playlist, terrible, not very good. I'm pretty sure this is the right way. I remember all of this. Here comes the bumps. This is where it gets kind of rough. You can see these long cuts on either side, so it makes it a little hard to jump left or right. Ah! Much better than the Indian though. The Indian, this was rough. I will say, for having ridden so many motorcycles, my experience with cars is very limited. Like, I have a Subaru, I got a little Impreza that drive around, but like, I can't say, like, when I think about bikes, like, I've ridden a ton of bikes, experimented and like felt the difference between all of them, but I really haven't done the same with cars. You know, it's just how it is. But I would really like to experience a fast sports car. The Subaru WRX would be awesome to drive, as well as like, I don't know, just to feel it, like an Audi R8 or like a Porsche, something like a real sports car. I'd love to like actually feel it and know what the experience is like, the reaction between the pedal and the actual engine, you know, like I can't say the same for cars that I do for bikes, which is like, I've ridden singles, parallel twins, V-twins, boxer twins, inline 4s, inline 3s, you know, And I kind of have this well-rounded understanding, or so I think, of how engines work and the different effects of different orientations of engines. I'd love to do the same for cars, but I don't know how to get that access. Oh my god, it's painful! Let's go! Bad choice, guys, bad choice. I'll choose a different road on the way home. Can't even split because there's too many things in the middle, too many spider webs and holes and cracks. Don't want to risk it, I don't want to risk it. I'm staying alert because I feel like people will just switch at any moment. Oh, I see it open up a little bit. Is that... Oh, there's one guy holding it up there. That's what's going on. Oh, it's must be a funeral or something. I don't see a hearse though, but everybody has their hazards on, so. gotta get some gas, guys. We're gonna make it to a gas station then. Not bad, not bad. Not good either, though. This is a medium ride. Oh, you know what? No, it's exciting. We get to go to Sunoco. That's my favorite gas station, guys. That's my favorite one. Come on, buddy. Sunoco! My favorite gas station. And we got this like futuristic dispenser, both of which are taken. Oh, they're all like that. Ah. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. That's going to be the end of this ride. I want to ride on back. Maybe, just maybe, we will go to, what you call it? The Met Cloisters. That could be fun today. I like that. There's a little chunk of that road on the west side highway that's real nice. So this is where I'm going to cut this video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like, guys. I'd really appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.